I think it's safe to say that you've all heard of crypto. And I know, it might seem boring, complicated, or difficult to get into for a lot of you. But what if I told you that there's a way to get into the crypto world and get Bitcoin for free? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that and earn up to $5 per single click. And the best part, you don't even need any fancy skills or experience. I'm going to break it all down so that it's super simple to follow, even for an absolute beginner. You just need to grab your device, make sure you have an internet connection, and pay super close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get right in. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The website that we'll be talking about today is called btcclicks.com. And the way this site works is, as you can see on the homepage, basically, advertisers pay BTC clicks to display their ads here. And people can make money using this site by viewing the said ads. Most of the profit, around 70% or so, goes to the people watching the ads, while the rest is the money that BTC Clicks itself makes. It's a win-win situation. The advertisers get their desired traffic, while the people viewing the ads can make money for absolutely free. It's a very simple yet efficient system. As some of you can already guess, we are not going to be the advertisers. We are not paying this site to display any kind of ads. And so there are two ways for us to make money. The first way is rather obvious, by clicking and viewing ads. The second way, however, is using their affiliate program with a 40 to 80% commission. Now, for those of you who don't know what an affiliate program is, it's basically you get people to sign up to this website, and by doing so, you'll get paid. And as you can see, they have very high commissions, which is fantastic to say the least. With that said, as far as withdrawing your money, you don't need to make any insane amount in order to be able to withdraw it. In fact, it's around $5 or so, which is an amount you will easily reach. Now, once you fully understand the process and how all this works, your next step is to either click on Start Earning Today right here, or hover your mouse over Login Sign Up right here and click on Earner. Sign up either way and you will be brought over to this page here, where you will have to enter your basic information, your email address, and password. You'll then complete the CAPTCHA and click on Sign Up to finish the process. Now, you need to verify that the email you entered actually belongs to you, and to do that, just go to your Gmail account and find a message from BTC Clicks that looks like this. You just have to click on Verify and that's it. I'm gonna log into my account now so that I can show you what you need to do to start making money. So I've just logged into my account, and this is what you'll see as well. This is the dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see how much money you've made, how much money you've withdrawn, how many ads you've clicked on, and so on. And to start making money by viewing ads, you want to click on the Surf Ads section right here. And this is where you'll be clicking on ads to make money. The way this works is that you click on any one of these, you view them for the set amount of time, which can vary from a minute or more to less than that, and you get paid. Now, right off the bat, the money that you can make is not an insane amount, but it's free money. It's easily made without too much effort, and combining this with their referral program can make you some decent income in the long run. Now, what's important to mention here as well is that you will run out of these after a time, but they will reappear after like 15 minutes. So the amount of ads you can view is essentially infinite. You never run out of them. Before we move on to what traffic source you'll use to refer people here, I want to really quickly mention the premium membership, which I think is worth considering. After you start making income using this method, it's worth reinvesting into a premium membership. You just want to click right here. Now, why is it worth investing in? Well, first of all, because you don't need to actually invest any money up front. You can just use the money that you make from this website so it pays for itself. The reason you might want the membership is because it's profitable, as simple as that. You invest some money, yes, but you also double the money that you make from both viewing the ads and referring people to here. which is precisely what it says right here. And so this can be a great way to increase your profit if you have a decent amount of spare time to invest into this website and make some money. With that out of the way, guys, let's move on to what you want to do in order to make money by referring people. To get the referral link, you just have to click on Referral Affiliate Tools right up here, and your affiliate link will be located below, which you will want to copy. And now that you have your link, let's go to the actual traffic sources. There are two traffic sources that you'll want to use. The first is Facebook. The reason Facebook is so good to use is because it has thousands of make money online groups that you can find, and every single person in those groups is interested in making money online. And so when you present them with a website where they can do that for free, chances are they will be willing to give it a try. This is why they can be an excellent place to promote BTC clicks and make money passively. Mind you, these groups can have thousands of members, and you just need hundreds to click on your link for you to make some really good money. Also, you don't want to search only make money online groups. Since you get paid in cryptocurrency, various cryptocurrency related groups are a fantastic way to find people who are interested in cryptocurrency, and it's basically a win-win situation. You get paid for referring them to the site while they can make some free money from it. Anyhow, the second traffic source is, believe it or not, YouTube. Now, this isn't actually what you might think it is. You won't have to create any videos. What you want to do on YouTube is search for Bitcoin or something like that, and then you want to click on Filters. And from there on, Creative Commons will allow you to download and re-upload these videos without getting taken down for copyright reasons. You won't get monetized as a result, but you don't need to. Remember, your goal is to get people to click on your referral link. And since Bitcoin is searched for a lot nowadays on YouTube, thousands of people will be able to see your video and click on that same referral link in your description and make you a lot of money in pure passive income. So that wraps up today's amazing tutorial. We've given you the plan, now it's time for you to take action. If you've learned anything of value or anything new today, be sure to smash the like button and comment your thoughts, questions, and experience with this method. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new money-making method that could potentially transform your life and bank account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.